Bespoke, fitting your life and taste. Are you all about style? Here's a variety of colors and finishes you can choose from. Isn't it amazing? Pick and create your own look for your taste. It's okay if your taste changes. Whatever you want, make truly yours. If you're single, live simple. Growing as a family, add fridges to fit your life. Add and combine as many models as you like. It's Bespoke. Does perfection matter to you? A design made just for you to create your perfect kitchen. It fits you perfectly and matches seamlessly with your kitchen. Bespoke completes your kitchen just like this. For your taste, life, and space. Designed for you, by you. Bespoke.